I didn't get good marks because the teacher made the paper very hard. I didn't got the job because I was unlucky that day. I lost my career because of my boyfriend. I couldn't study the whole night because my boyfriend was fighting with me. I was distracted, not my fault. If you see yourself in any of the statement, then my love, keep watching because you are a blamer who blames universe, God, people, situation, your luck, everything for your fucked up created mess, for your failures, for hello everyone, I'm Violet with a Y, your friend, your host, your little sister, your advisor, your therapist, whatever you take me for. So let's just dive into this video. At every stage of our life, we have seen people who complain about everything in their life. It's like you ask them, hey, how's been your day lately? And all their replies like, yeah, same pathetic old shit. Odds are never in my favor. No matter how hard I try to study, I never get the results. No matter how hard I try to succeed in life, it feels like God is always punishing me. The universe never listens to me. Baby girl and baby boy, it's time to handle your own shit and stop complaining. And for that, I would like to share some of my personally favorite tips and tricks that I have used to transform my personality from a complainer to that of a personality and perspective who is an appreciator. And for that, the first and foremost, the most important point comes stop being with people who complain a lot. I know it may sound nuts to you, but company does affect our life. If we are constantly surrounded by people who complain a lot, who blame others for their failures, who never take the responsibility, we tend to acquire the traits. Like there is a friend of mine who for real complains a lot. Like every time I ask him, hey, how's life been going? And he's like, cut rahi hai zindagi, life is always hard to me. Life was never meant to be easy. The world is a cruel place. I never get passed in my exams. He's been like doing some professional exams, like fighting. He's done doing some professional courses. So he's like, I never pass and this and that. And I was like, bro, hello, I am in my glow up phase. I am in my healing era. And I can't be surrounded by with people who always complain. I don't want to be surrounded by all the negativity. Here I'm trying to vibrate on that higher frequency. And you're just dragging me down. So I literally told him on this face like, bro, if you keep complaining and just feel like life is fed up, life is a mess, you don't get good, God never helps you, all you're gonna receive is all the bad stuff. If you never be grateful for what you already have, why would God give you more? It's like God is like He has already given you 100 of things, but all we're complaining is about all the 10 things that you don't have. He's just gonna feel like I have given this person so much. But all they do is complain. And I know if I give them that 10 things more, they're still going to complain and ask for more. Rather, if you thank them for the only 2 things you have, he'll probably and he's for sure will give you 4 more things because he know your frequency is vibrating on a grateful level, that you're always thankful for everything that you have. Well, about my friend, I hope you have understood what I was saying because he did stop complaining, at least to me. I don't know all this was because hello, I'm not here to take all of your negativity over my head and feel drained after talking to you. I'm calling you because I want to talk to you and I want to feel happy, not sad and deleted and belittled. If you would have noticed, there are people in the world and in our own life that compete like whose pain is greater. If you tell them my head is hurting, they'll start telling you, oh, my stomach hurts. Yesterday my head was also aching. I have back problems. I have knee problem. I have neck problem. I have shoulder problem. And they'll just end up make you feeling more drained. And you're like, why the fuck did I want to talk to him? Therefore, if you feel that you have been surrounded by complainers all your life, baby girl and baby boy, it's time to either tell them to own their shit or cut them off, whatever feels feasible and good to you. The second thing that I have done is take responsibility for whatever shit I commit, and I wanted to take responsibility for whatever shit you commit. I have talked about taking responsibility in my previous videos a lot, and I'll probably never stop talking about it because, hello, you are supposed to own your shit. I think you also probably would have studied with people in school or college where they lie about their marks. Like you ask them how much they scored, even though they would have scored only 5 out of 10. They're gonna tell you, oh, I scored 7. I was ill that day, and just add more bunch of excuses about how they scored low, and even though they have scored lower than that. I for certain have been with these kinds of people, and I knew they scored bad, but I was still like, the only reaction I could ever give was, if you are that ashamed of your own marks, of your own brain, then which why don't you study? Rather than hiding, you could have either owned that up or be diligent enough and be proud enough to study so you don't have to face that situation again in next exam. I have always been the kind of person who accept and handle my own shit. I'm like, I committed that mistake. Okay, I'm sorry. I committed that blunder. Okay, I'm sorry and accept all. That's the type of attitude I want you to adapt. If you lie constantly, people will never find you reliable. They will not find you credible. It's like just in banks, the credit score goes down. Your credit score will go down. People will not trust you with their secrets. People will not trust you with their own money. And the world is all about trust. Come on. If people can't trust you, how will you have that reputation that yes, this person is respectful, we can tell them our secrets? And I have read it in book Meluha that a person doesn't become strong by all the muscle. He or she becomes strong by all the secrets they have in their life. If you are not trustworthy, how will someone tell you their secret? How will someone trust you for next business opportunities? How will someone trust you for anything? It's just like the fox story where the child or where the boy keeps saying the fox is coming, but it never comes. And when it really comes, the villagers never believe him. Third point, get over your victim mindset. When you are in your victim brain, you constantly find things, people, situation that makes you want to believe that life is hard, that world is a very cruel place to live in. But once you understand how you're drowning in your own negative self-talks, you'll overcome your victim mentality. Watch this previous video of mine. It has everything you need to overcome your victim mentality. Fourth, learn to be uncomfortable. We don't blame others because we are a bad person. No. Blaming others often stem from our need to protect our ego and avoid uncomfortable feelings like shame and guilt. Shifting the blames gives temporary relief because, hello, I am innocent. You are the one who is to be blamed. But in the long run, people will see you as someone who is unreliable, untrustworthy, who is uncredible. You know what top leaders are known by? Not just by their ability to control such a big team or communicate and navigate better, but they are known by their ability to be uncomfortable and take responsibility of themselves and also their team. A big leader doesn't say like, oh, my team is very immature, they did this, they are very stupid, or they don't say like, oh, I did this all by myself, I'm the one who wants all the credit. No, they simply own up the mistake of their own team and they are like, I'm sorry, it was my fault that I couldn't communicate it in a better way or in a simpler way. That's why my team committed a little blunder. They don't run after credits, they simply say it was a team work. We all did this together. And we are here to striving to become our best self, and being best self means having a better reputation and being able to lead people, not follow someone. We are not here to be the part of a flock. We are here to be the lion. There is joy in comfort for a few moments, but there is bliss in being uncomfortable in the long run. That's my time, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you have gained some knowledge from this video. I'm Violet signing off from today's video. Thanks for watching. Please make a comment, share, like, subscribe, everything that you would like to do. You can. I have also started my Instagram now, my Instagram account. You can please make sure to follow this. Scan this QR code here. Also scan my Snapchat code here. You guys could also see my email ID in the description. Please make sure to follow me there. You can always text me anywhere. I'm always willing to help every one of you. I always reply to my comments, no matter what the comment is, not just the bad ones. But yeah, thanks for watching in. I appreciate you guys. Bye.